Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the 2023 Porsche Macan GTS. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. Porsche has more than half a century of sports car development to take advantage of. The company's expertise culminates with the sports car-like 2023 Macan GTS, making it one of the most exciting SUVs to drive. With a 434 horsepower twin-turbo V6 under its hood, the all-wheel drive GTS is powerful enough to accelerate to 100 km per hour in just 3.5 seconds. If the compact luxury vehicle encounters winding roads along the way, it will stay planted on each one, rewarding its driver with agile handling, which is rare not only among most SUVs, but also among many cars. For those looking for a machine with high driving performance, there is nothing better than the Macan GTS. Of course, those seeking maximum utility may find stronger rivals such as the BMW X3M and Jaguar F-Pace SVR more useful. Yet for us there is no greater benefit than the unparalleled driver involvement of the 2023 Porsche Macan GTS. The Macan GTS enters the 2023 model year without any major changes. However, it remains one of the most beloved SUVs of all time, making it once again on our annual Best of 10 list. The Macan GTS comes well equipped with performance features right out the door, but we think the SUV's luxury is a bit lacking. That's why we order the Premium Plus package, which includes a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated 14-way adjustable front seats, and a 12-speaker Bose stereo system. While the base Macan, reviewed separately, can be picked up with a turbocharged 4-cylinder, going with the performance-focused GTS unlocks a much more powerful twin-turbo V6. The engine produces 434 horsepower, which helped the Macan GTS deliver an impressive 3.5-second 60 miles per hour time on our test track. Many competitors offer even more power, including the 505 horsepower Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio and the 503 horsepower BMW X3M competition. Despite its disadvantage in power, the Macan GTS feels like the better of the two, thanks to its sharper handling and more communicating rudder. The 2023 Macan GTS carries EPA fuel economy estimates for 17 miles per gallon urban and 22 mpg highway. However, we didn't get a chance to test one with the more powerful engine on our 75 miles per hour real-world highway route. For more information on the fuel economy of the Macan GTS, visit the EPA's website. While entry-level Macans may be a bit too understated for their price, the GTS model comes with more refinements like leather upholstery, aluminum upholstery, and heated front seats. Still, those looking for an SUV with a more comfortable cabin may find the Genesis GV70 more appealing. The Macan GTS is tuned for maximum fun, with well-placed controls, good exterior visibility, and a comfortable driving position. The cargo hold isn't as big as some of its rivals, but when did buying a Porsche make sense? We fit 6 handbags in the cargo hold and 16 with the rear seats folded down, which should be enough for most people. Porsche's infotainment system offers all kinds of high-tech features, including standard Apple CarPlay and optional wireless charging pad. Still, as with pretty much everything else on the Macan's hardware list, the best features cost extra. Upgrading to a 12-speaker Bose sound system adds $990, and the even more powerful 16-speaker Burmester stereo is a massive $5,700 option. USB ports and 12-volt sockets are scattered throughout the cabin, so both driver and passengers should be able to keep their devices fully charged. With the standard mobile Wi-Fi package on the plane, the family data plan can also survive a road trip unscathed.